I must say it was a real pleasure to have the opportunity to greet you all in person today, to shake a hand, share an embrace. It really has been far too long. So welcome indeed to the club's 12th commissioning.
I'm so proud to have the team around me, particularly over the last 12 months or so.
Today we come to honor our fleet and to celebrate the beginning of a new season. We wish all of our members smooth passage and a safe return. May our fleet enjoy fair winds, following seas for the 2021 season. To the seas, to the sailors, to all the members of the Great Harbor Yacht Club, hear, hear.